Hi, my name is Robert, and I want to welcome you to the Dragonfly point of sale system. Dragonfly has been built from the ground up as a replacement for TRS, retaining all the major functionality of TRS while making numerous improvements and adding several exciting new features. Unlike most of the POS systems on the market, Dragonfly was built exclusively for the sewing, quilting, and vacuum industry, and our goal is to make the management of your stores as easy as possible. We also chose to leave Dragonfly as a store-based system rather than cloud-based, meaning all your data is kept with you in-house at your facility. In this video, Craig and I would like to give you a brief demonstration of Dragonfly to show you some of its capabilities. I'll turn things over to Craig, our lead developer, who will give you a quick tour.
Hi, this is Craig, the lead developer for Dragonfly. We've leveraged my long history as a developer and Rob's long history in the sewing and quilting industry to put together a modern, easy-to-use system to help manage your store. I'd like to show you some of the features of Dragonfly that really make it stand out over the point-of-sale system that you're currently using. The first thing you'll notice is our navigator list at the left edge of the screen. This provides a fully configurable list of all of Dragonfly's features, making it easy to find the functionality you want to use. We've also built Dragonfly with a multi-document interface, meaning that you can have several forms open at the same time, then quickly switch between them by clicking on a form or by selecting it from the Open Forms list. Let's start with the customer checkout form. We've spent considerable effort on this form, making it your center of operations. You can start an anonymous sale or select a customer by scanning their loyalty card or by typing in part of the customer's name, phone number, or email address. As you type, the search results are refined. When you see the customer you want, press Enter or double-click to assign them to the sale. When the customer is selected, the Dragonfly Quick Start form will show you all the open items for the customer, including paused sales, unpaid classes and repairs, open layaways, deposits and special orders, unpaid account balances, and even the customer rewards balance and eligible rewards. You can check any of these items to preload them into the sale. When using a scanner with the customer checkout form, Dragonfly will automatically redirect any scanned item back to the product search field, so you don't have to click on that field each time you're ready to scan the next item. Any item you add to the sale can be quickly converted to a layaway, special order, or deposit, and you can select the percentage to be paid or directly enter the payment amount. The next time the customer returns, that special item will appear on the Quick Start form so the customer can complete the purchase or make another payment on it. When you're ready for the customer payment, click the function key for the desired tender type to automatically fill in the amount. I'll press F5 to do a cash sale. If the customer wants a split tender, adjust the value for the first tender type, then click the function key for the next tender type to set that amount to the remaining balance. One more click on F12 or on the Finish Sale button completes the sale. For credit and debit card charges, we've partnered with Global Payments to provide integrated charge card services in Dragonfly. If you use these services, you can click the Quick Credit button to activate the charge card PIN pad, setting the amount of the sale automatically and waiting for the customer to scan or swipe their card. When the card is accepted, the sale is automatically completed. We've created a customizable customer dashboard form, which provides details of a customer's history with your store. The store owner can now define which summary reports go into the dashboard and what information is included in each of those reports. You can use the Fast Search field to find the customer in question, and the reports will update for the selected customer. Reports with no information are automatically removed from the dashboard. If you leave the dashboard open while you work on other forms, the dashboard will automatically update each time you change to another customer. For example, this customer has some serialized sales and repairs, while this next customer has attended a class and has an open account balance. We've also added some nice features for classes. To start, you can enroll a customer in class directly from the customer checkout form. Select the customer, then start typing the name of the class. When you see the class you want, select it to see a list of available offerings for that class. Then select the offering for the customer and add it to the sale. When the sale is finished, the customer will be automatically enrolled in the class. Now let's look at recurring classes like Block of the Month. These are classes that meet on a regular basis and have a recurring payment. In Dragonfly, you can set them up to occur weekly, monthly, quarterly, or any frequency you'd like. If you mark a class as a recurring class, the system will help you manage payments for the class. You could manually process each customer payment, but if you use our integrated credit card processing with global payments, the payment process can be automated. Dragonfly lets you register credit cards for customers that want to have automated payments. The registering information is not card identifying and is safely saved in Dragonfly as a token. The card number and security code are saved by Global Payments, but are not stored by Dragonfly. Each month you can go to the Offering tab for the current class offering and click the Make Payments button to process the payments for all the students. Each payment is quickly, safely, and securely processed, saving you considerable time and effort. Next, let's look at the Discounts form, where you can define product sales and discounts. To create a sale, we give it a name and a range of active dates, then select the discount as either a percentage or a fixed amount. You can even create BOGO type sales, specifying how many items you need to buy to qualify for the sale, and then how many of these items will be discounted and how much their discount will be. For example, let's look at a sale on standard Isacord threads that we created earlier. We made this a buy two, get one half off sale. After the sale conditions are defined, the next step is to select the products that are eligible for the sale. You can select the products individually, or select the eligible departments and/or the eligible product categories. For this example, we used the product fast search to find the thread we wanted to put on sale. Let's take a look at how this discount works at checkout time. We'll pick an item that's eligible for the sale, and we see that it has no discount. Now let's change the quantity to 2, and we still see no discount. But once we change the quantity to 3, we'll now see a new line item added to the sale with the discounted price. The system works the same way if you pick 3 different eligible items, discounting the least expensive of the 3. Next, let's look at managing cut fabric in Dragonfly. Unlike TRS, Dragonfly makes it easy to manage cut fabric pieces, even tracking cut pieces that have been put into kits. Although you can still assign cut fabric to general SKUs such as $3.99 Fat Quarters SKU, Dragonfly gives your store the power to make and track cut fabric inventory with the Cut Fabrics module. You first define the types of cut fabrics your store carries in the Cut Fabrics definitions list. You can add to, remove from, or modify this list as needed. Dragonfly then uses the concept of subproducts for cut fabric pieces. When you make cut pieces in Dragonfly, it automatically creates a subproduct for each combination of fabric and piece type. The subproducts are linked to the bolt of fabric that the cut pieces came from. When the cuts are made, Dragonfly subtracts the yardage from the bolts inventory and increases the inventory of the subproduct by the number of new cut pieces that you make. In the Cut Fabrics module, you simply select the fabrics that you're going to cut, then choose the cut type and the number of pieces, and choose the option to assign the pieces to specific subproducts. You can then set the price for all the pieces, or let the system choose the price based on the fabric price. Next, we create the entries on the cut list. At this point, you can print a cut list to help you make the cuts, or print labels for the cut pieces. When we click the Make Cuts button, all the required inventory changes will be made. The Kit Builder works hand in hand with the Cut Fabric module. In the Dragonfly Kit Builder, you'll find a list of defined kits. Selecting a kit will show the contents of the kit on the right-hand list. From here, you can edit a kit by adding, removing, or modifying any product in the kit list. You can add cut fabric pieces that you defined earlier, or you can select a fabric and a piece type, and Dragonfly will create the cut pieces in inventory when the kits are assembled. You can also copy a kit to quickly build a new kit with similar components. Kits are assembled or disassembled in inventory with a click of a button. If your store does repairs and you have frequently used repair services, You'll like Dragonfly's repair templates. To make a repair template, you create a new repair and fill in the form with all the information for the standard elements of that service. In the template definition, you can put any information you want, including the common repair parts, repair labor, and accessories checked in with that type of repair. Let's start a repair with a repair template that we've already defined. After starting the repair, click on the template drop-down and select the template you want to use. Notice that information is now pre-filled on the repair form. You can make adjustments to these values as needed. Another bright spot for Dragonfly is the management and sale of serialized items. The serialized item product definitions are stored in the same location as all the other product definitions, so you can use the standard products form to manage those items. It's easy to set up a filter of just serialized items, so that you don't have to wade through thousands of products to find the ones you're interested in. Once that filter is set, you can scroll through the items in the Browse grid, or view and edit all the item properties one machine at a time. When you add a serialized item to the customer checkout form, the system recognizes it as a serialized item and pops up the form where the additional details of the sale can be recorded. The make and model fields are pre-filled using information from the products table. A list of the existing serial numbers for the item is shown, so that you can select the specific one being sold. There's a section in the form to record trade-in information, as well as fields for discounts, a final price, and warranty information. There's also a section in the form where you can list the salespersons that were involved in the sale and the percentage of commission that each of those salespersons will get. If the customer is placing a deposit on the item rather than taking delivery, simply change the payment type to deposit and then enter the percentage or amount of the down payment. Complete the sale, then this item will appear at the point of sale quick start menu the next time the customer comes in, so the purchase can be completed. When receiving shipments of serialized items, the receiving form provides a place for you to enter the serial number of each received machine. The received items are then added as inventory records, one per serial number. The inventory information is easily reviewed on the Inventory Browse form. You can create a filter for all serialized items, or search for specific ones like this sewing machine that we just sold. I'll turn you back to Rob now to wrap things up.
Thanks for the tour, Craig. Dragonfly is your new developer-supported POS for the sewing, quilting, and vacuum industry. While we will always strive to maintain a financially healthy business so that we can be here for you, we will not compromise our goals. We will always put you in this industry first. We will maintain a healthy software product by always prioritizing bugs first and then features second. Blessed Brother Software, the maker of Dragonfly, exists to help you run your business better and more efficiently. Craig and I hope you will join us on this journey as we bring the best POS and inventory management software to the sewing, quilting, and vacuum industry. Join us and hop on board with Dragonfly.